There are two methods of growing sweet potato slips. Method 1. The traditional method of suspending the sweet potato in water. This method works, but often takes 6 to 8 weeks or more to produce slips. Method 2. The soil method. This method of making sweet potato slips is much faster. This method usually takes around 4 to 6 weeks. In this video, I'll show how easy it is to use the soil method. The soil method is much more reliable and faster than the other water and toothpick method. The first step is to choose a healthy sweet potato. Organic potatoes are less likely to be treated with a sprout inhibitor, so it's better to choose organic sweet potatoes to start. Fill up foil pan or a container with potting soil or seed starting mix. Place the sweet potatoes in soil and cover about half the potato with soil. Keep the soil moist throughout the process. Check on the soil periodically and water as needed. In about a week, roots will start forming in the soil. Within about a week or two, small sprouts will begin to grow from top of the sweet potato. Providing warmth and light by placing the container on a sunny windowsill will speed up the process considerably. Once several sprouts have grown to 5 to 6 inches long, you're ready for the next step. When sprouts are about 5 to 6 inches tall, remove the sprouts from the sweet potato by carefully twisting off or cutting off at soil level. Remove lower leaves from the sprout and let root in a jar of water. Roots will develop quickly. You should begin to see roots in 1 or 2 days. Keep the water level high in the jar. Switch out the water about once a week to keep the water fresh. In about 10 days, the roots will be well developed. If the sprouts are coming from below the soil level, they will develop good root system in the soil itself. We don't have to put them in the water jar for root development in this case. As you see, this is a much easier method to grow sweet potato slips, or you could say the natural way to grow sweet potato slips. Once roots are fully formed and several inches long, it's time to plant. Plant the rooted sweet potato slips about 12 to 18 inches apart and 4 inches deep. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.